Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into downtown Kingston. We are on Camp Road, and this road is famous for having a lot of car dealerships. Now, on the right is Stewart's Automotive, and coming up on the right behind the Suzuki sign, you'll see a building under construction. This is where you're going to have another car dealership, the Great Wall Motors, or GWM. And this showroom or this building is going to be located at 47 South Camp Road in Kingston. Now, GWM is a Chinese vehicle manufacturer or vehicle brand, and they are bringing this line of vehicle to Jamaica. They're actually here, they're selling some pickups now, but they're building basically an office, showroom, and they are going to do servicing at this location as well. Just like other car dealerships, a one-stop shop for everything you need for the car. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And guys, have you noticed the car landscape in Jamaica changing? A lot of foreign vehicles are coming into Jamaica. Usually you have the traditional vehicles out of Japan and thing, but out of Europe and Japan, but a lot of Chinese vehicles are coming into Jamaica, and they are doing very well. Jetour just set up a showroom facility basically by Mary Brown's Corner, and GWM is setting this one up on South Camp Road. The Stewart's Automotive Group has embarked on an ambitious project to redefine automotive retail in Jamaica with the construction of a state-of-the-art Great Wall Motors showroom at 47 South Camp Road in Kingston. This development marks a major milestone not only for the company but also for Jamaica's growing relationship with the global automotive industry, particularly as Chinese vehicle brands continue to expand their presence in the Caribbean. The groundbreaking ceremony for the new GWM facility took place in late 2024, signaling the start of a modern infrastructure project that promises to elevate the standard of vehicle sales and customer service on the island. The new showroom will replace the current GWM facility at 49.5 South Camp Road, providing a significantly larger and more advanced space for sales, servicing, and parts operations. According to Stewart's Automotive Group, the new facility will be designed as a comprehensive automotive center, integrating vehicle display areas, service bays, and customer experience spaces under one roof. The company envisions a modern showroom that embodies efficiency, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, elements that reflect the innovation of the GWM latest models from Great Wall Motors, including the Haval and Tank SUV lines, as well as the rugged P-Series pickups that have gained popularity among Jamaican motorists. The project represents a strong partnership between several leading Jamaican enterprises. Issa Construction has been appointed as the main contractor, bringing years of experience in commercial and industrial development, while Barita Investments Limited serves as a financial partner, supporting the project's capital requirements. This collaboration highlights a broader trend of local companies investing in Jamaica's economic modernization through high-quality, forward-looking infrastructure. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.